Forget banana bread. Banana cake is where it's at. It just melts in your mouth and it's light and fluffy. And when it's layered with a mascarpone frosting and banana slices, it becomes even more moist. Who knew that just sugar and mascarpone cheese makes such a dreamy frosting? The only downside is that this cake doesn't freeze well once frosted, so you'll have to finish it in a couple of days. But is that so bad? First, mix together your dry ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon table salt. Whisk and set aside. Mash about 2 large bananas. You will need 3/4 cups of banana puree. The consistency should look like this. Set aside. To a large bowl, add 1 stick of softened butter. Add 3/4 cups of white sugar and cream till fluffy. Add 2 egg yolks and put the whites in another clean metal bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and mix until combined. Now add your banana puree and mix. Now sift in 1/2 of your dry ingredients and mix until just barely combined. Add a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of buttermilk and mix. Sift in the other 1/2 of your dry ingredients and mix. Make sure you don't overmix. The batter should be very thick because we haven't added the egg whites yet. To the 2 reserved egg whites, add 1 more egg white and reserve the yolk for another use. Add a pinch of cream of tartar and whip to medium stiff peaks. Fold 1/2 of the egg whites into the batter. When combined, add the next 1/2 and fold it in. Do not overmix or you will deflate the whites. Pour the batter into 3 parchment-lined and greased and floured 9-inch cake pans. Alternatively, you can use 1 cake pan and cut the cake into 3 layers. Bake the cake layers for about 15 minutes in a preheated 350-degree oven till a toothpick comes out clean, cool completely. For the frosting, sift in 2 cups of powdered sugar into a bowl and add 12 ounces of chilled mascarpone cheese. You can probably get away with using cream cheese, but the flavor will be different. Mix until smooth and put the frosting in the refrigerator for a few minutes. To assemble, put 1 cake layer top side up on a cake stand and frost with 1/3 of the frosting. Top the frosting with 1 layer of thinly sliced bananas. Add the next cake layer and add the next third of your frosting. Followed by another layer of bananas. Finally, top with the last cake layer and frost with the remaining frosting. Refrigerate for 30 minutes, then slice and serve. Enjoy.